want to show you what I do for an at-home facial. In case you have not had a chance to have a professional facial, it's certainly not the same, but it's a great way to make your skin feel better and look even better. So every good facial starts with a good cleanse to prepare the skin. I begin with our purifying facial cleanser, which is really good, squeaky clean, just a little bit of product, lots of water, gives you nice bubbles. This really will take off everything that you have on your skin. Rinse and prep your skin for treatment. So pat yourself dry and you are ready for the actual treatment. So any good facial will start with some type of exfoliation, whether you're using an at-home peel or an exfoliator. I like to use our gentle refining scrub. This is a dual exfoliation product. It gives you physical exfoliation and also enzymatic exfoliation. This is the amount of product, so not too much. And you want to make sure you're using this on dry skin. Massage it into your skin for about a minute and a half. And you can see the little particles. I like to emphasize my T-zone, which is a little bit more congested than my cheeks, and really spend some time gently but firmly massaging the product. And you can see at the end, there's not that much product left. There's only the little white beads, which are jojoba pearls, and the little red beads, which are cranberry beads. That is the end of exfoliation. Rinse. And once again, dry. The second step to any at-home facial is a treatment mask. So again, you can choose the mask that you prefer based on your skin type. I love our Cantic Brightening Moisture Mask. I mean, in my mind, this is perfect for all skin types, but I'm biased, obviously. I like to apply it with my fingers, quite a bit of product. You can see, hopefully, I'm covering my skin with the mask. I know it's flesh colored, kind of. You go all the way into the eye contour. And if I were truly doing this just for myself, I would go down into the neck and décolleté. So you see I have the mask on even though you can't really tell. And I will typically leave this on for 10-15 minutes. Go do a couple emails, let it penetrate, and then come back and rinse. This is easiest if it's rinsed with a washcloth and a little bit of water, pardon me. When you're done rinsing, washcloth helps to take any remnant off. You can see it's a little pinkish brown, totally normal. And once again, pat yourself dry. So now you've exfoliated, you've provided treatment with a mask. It is time to do a treatment step again, an eye care step, and a moisturizer step. For treatment, I love our Pigment Lightening Serum, just a little bit. This will help to even out my complexion. It will prevent and correct brown spots. So that's the treatment step, Pigment Lightening Serum. Of course, an eye treatment for this very delicate area. I like our Rejuvenating Eye Balm, again ring finger, rice kernel size, and all around, very gently, around the eye contour. And then finally a moisturizer. So the moisturizer you choose kind of will depend on, are you doing this first thing in the morning or are you doing this in the evening? You can pick between a moisturizer with SPF, like our Protective Day Cream, or a treatment moisturizer like our Cantic Calming Evening Cream. I will do the latter. Just a little bit of product, warm it up in my hands, apply, including, of course, the neck, as always. And that is your finishing step for your face. Now, I like to end any at-home facial that I do with a lip product. I use two different ones, Veneffect or Aveda Lip Saver, depending on how my lips feel. I'm feeling quite dry today. This is the Veneffect product. A little bit on my ring finger, massage it in, even with a different finger. And then again, the dry skin balm. And that is your at-home facial. Thank you.